So back here in Maitland, we're coming to look at the 1400 bakkie. Let's hope there's a Nissan in it, or a Toyota or a Mazda, because we know guys know most I'm gat full of Honda.
If you ain't living a low life, you're living a no life.
This is our owner, co-owner. Yeah. I'm happy to see a Datsun for a change or a Nissan, you know. I'm so gat full of Hondas here in Cape Town. Yo.
Yeah, no, around every corner there's Honda.
He ain't lying. Let's see what's under here first. Let's see before I'm going to talk to you. Let's see what. Guys, another, I'm going to swear, nah? It's another Honda inside here. Guys, what are we going to do on all these money and the Hondas in Cape Town, man? I was mook of Honda. I already know how to build a Honda engine.
I mean, if you want to keep riding, Honda is the multiple use.
You damn right.
And how fast is this bucket?
All our base time is at 11.3 seconds.
11.3. What tires on?
On the Uzi.
On the Uzi, yeah.
Full speed.
Is that your brother there?
That is my brother.
He's the man that knows everything on this bucket now. What do you mean no?
He knows everything. He knows enough. How are you?
How are you? What's your name, sir?
Fakhri.
Fakhri.
I'm the one chatting to you. I do the admin. I'm behind the scenes. I'm like you.
I'm behind the scenes, but I'm in front of the scenes all the time. But it's really, it looks like a street vehicle, and that's what we want, street cars. And I love a street car, a genuine street car too.
Yeah, we've been running in the 4R class, so it's a 4-cylinder class. And there you must have full trim. And we've been dominating that class for the last 3 years now.
What do you think about 280 meters?
Can what? We make our power from the start, so can what? The turbo cars can fetch us down there after 300 meters.
So it's actually working out for
It's
you
working
guys.
out.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
If we would have diet or cut this car to pieces, we would have also gone.
But that must be why you're the driver. It's seamless.
We need to do it.
Man, quit playing with me, man. No, for real, don't play like that.
But now any rule says a car can't be lighter than 850 kilos with the driver.
Yeah, no, we're weighing in 1080 with me in the car.
That's not too bad. That's not too bad. But you get a Golfie that can come in at 700 kilos. So that's why I'm capping the weight, so it brings it a bit more fair, you know. But then you look at the Golfie's front wheel drive, you guys are rear wheel drive, and you're together. There's no changes.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
You said in one of your interviews that the front wheel drive is faster than the rear wheel drive of the line.
I still believe that.
I'm going to prove you wrong there.
How about you put your money where your mouth is?
We trigger out of the line.
Is that?
A lot of the front wheel drive cars at Killarney, off the line, we normally hit in the 60 foot.
And then what happens?
Oh, it depends. If they have enough power to come and fetch us, then they can. But in our class, that's why they're not fetching us.
He's Honda here. Oh, and are you going to come and running the Joburg series as well, or are you only waiting for the Cape Town one?
No, we'll see how this thing is goes. We're going to have an entry here.
This Joburg, which is the 2nd, 3rd and 4th of December. Cape Town, we're still working on a date. We first need to sort everything out of Joburg, then I sort out Cape Town. And then from Cape Town will be the next city and the next city. But what I'm saying to the guys is, if I had a car, I'd enter Joburg. When I'm in Cape Town, I'll be out urban. Because I know if I make it to the fine, if I get knocked out there, I got a chance in Cape Town in my own city to still make it in the top 10. But then I've learned what a Joburg out is got. Yeah. Or I will be there with like binoculars to make sure I know what's going on. But remember also, to get your car to Joburg, it's 40 grand for the wheeler. On the first round in Joburg, the 40 grand winner, second place is 20 grand.
So the prize money is not just from the finals.
No.
Now it's probably been
Now see how my entries go for all the others, and that will determine how much prize money, but then there's 500,000 at the final.
cool. You're putting the carrot out there.
Yeah, yeah. No, I mean, the thing is, you know what, it will be a help for the money to come,
Yeah.
and because I do believe also, and I'm hoping that I'm right, that one of the guys like such a prop will win it. I'm not giving the opportunity to the owners with the big money, with the big stuff. This is meant for something like this to win, you know?